I think, women's tennis, I've also been the Fed Cup captain for about 4 to 5 years. It's a very different format. Um, Actually, you're playing matches almost every day against different countries. So it's a little bit, that's tougher on the girls as well. Uh, but yeah, I mean, we have some injury issues as well as a part, so far what I've heard. But I think, if the girls play.
We play fielding the best team.
Yeah, I mean, our best girls, yes, our best girls are here. There's no two ways about it. But if they stay injury free and they're playing to their potential, I think we have a very good chance to come through.
सर एक बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं पूरा टूर्नामेंट, किस तरह से देख रहे हैं इंडिया के लिए कितनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, खासतौर पर जब भारतीय महिलाएं हर खेल के क्षेत्र में अच्छा कर रही हैं। हाल ही हमने क्रिकेट विश्व कप भी जीता है, महिलाएं लगातार अच्छा कर रही हैं। आप किस तरह से देख रहे हैं इस बात को?
हम इसी आशा के साथ हम लोगों ने ये टूर्नामेंट यहाँ ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। बड़ा टूर्नामेंट है विमेंस का वर्ल्ड कप, और पहले हमारी टीम जो है अच्छा कर चुकी है इसमें, और इसी आशा के साथ हम लोग यहाँ कर रहे हैं। और हम लोग समझते हैं कि अगर इंडियन टीम अपनी पोटेंशियल से खेल जाए तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है कि वो जीत जाएगी।
सर मिलियन डॉलर स्टार प्लेयर्स की बात करें, सानिया मिर्जा से प्लेयर की कमी अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं खलती है कि उस तरह के प्लेयर्स होने चाहिए, तो क्योंकि जीत आसान हो जाती है, मैचेस आसान हो जाता है, क्योंकि एक एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर होता है तो प्रेशर नहीं रहता उतना। उनकी कमी को लेकर क्या करें?
देखिए, सानिया मिर्जा अपने आप में एक टैलेंट है, जो कि कोई मतलब देश का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टैलेंट्स हैं स्पोर्ट्स में, चाहे मेन और वुमेन ले लो, सबको मिला के। लेकिन अभी जैसे माया हैं, कोई 16 साल की हैं, जो नेक्स्ट कहते हैं कि सानिया मिर्जा बनेंगी आगे, तो टाइम दौर आता है। Yeah, so I think she's a little young. She's 16 years old. She's been taken by IMG, just like our boy. We have a boy called Manas Dhamne, and they are all playing at the Piatti Academy in Italy. So we have a lot of hopes that these kids are going to be developed and they're going to come up well, because they're playing at the moment in the ecosystem in Europe. That's where they're being groomed. So which is very, very important, and so we have a lot of hopes from them.
Here is the role of the TLT as well as the AITA to keep, as you said, keep track of the developments of these players in Europe or elsewhere.
Yeah.
Like Sania Mirza, she was an exception.
Yes.
But to have certain players who have the potential, yet, I mean, they fizzle out somehow or the other at the top.
Yes.
What is AITA and DLTA? You have the best facilities or the best ground, I mean, best. What are you concretely doing for these players so that they can...
So we have a center of excellence that we started. We had Zishan Ali here for a couple of years. We had a couple of good success with a player called Karan Singh that came up. Digvijay came up. They both played for the country. I think in the women's side we are weak at the moment in terms of in the center of excellence having produced players, but we are in talks with the government. The sports ministry already is doing a hell of a lot for all the players, but we have requested them as well for a top class center of excellence to come here to create same conditions, training conditions. So facilities is only one part of the whole picture, right? The know-how in the facility needs to be there to develop players. So the pool of talent in India, in every sport, there is a huge pool of talent. The problem is, particularly tennis or any other sport. I've been also managing volleyball. So there is no dearth of talent in India. The problem is taking that talent and making it into top class world beaters. So for that you need factories, and badminton is a good example of what Gopi did in Hyderabad, because you had know-how, you had trainers, you had coaches, you had everything. So everything needs to come together, not only just facilities. Facilities is just one part of the ecosystem. So when you're going to play against top players, you have top coaches, then you get the best.
I keep wondering, because the stadium that you have, the facilities that you have here are world class.
Yes.
But the players are not world class.
Yes.
I mean, where is the lacuna?
I'm just telling you that the next thing we need to do is get top class coaches here, top class physios here. We already have our Davis Cup physios are doing a fantastic job. They are seeing when we go to different countries to play, we go and see what the others are doing, how are they training their players. So there's a learning process going on. The whole ecosystem needs to develop, which means that you need to have trained the trainers, which means across board, the country has a lot of talent. The trainers need to train them in the best possible way. The training methods need to be the newest. So that's how you develop a foundation and a base. And then from there, once the base is strong, then you start getting a pipeline of players that are coming. And then it's our job to make sure that the National Center of Excellence takes them and gives them the best exposure in the world, the best technique, the best coaching, the best training, So it takes a lot to produce top class athletes because there are so many countries, they're doing this day in, day out. We need to come up to that, so everything needs to come. It's just not a few things that are going to be there and that's it, it's going to happen. No. The good part is India is, I would say, a sea of talent across board, right? From different parts of the country. It's a sea of talent.
One final question, where do you realistically see this women's team reach? I mean, to the playoffs, to quarterfinals, or what level do you see?
It's difficult to predict because, like I said to you earlier, that women's format I feel is a little tougher because you're playing different countries on a daily basis, every day. So it all depends on how fit the girls are and how injury-free they can stay throughout. So that is an important factor, not only for India but for the other girls also. But if that happens, I see a very good chance. No two ways about it.
Rajpal sir, one last question. In other sports fields and now in tennis also, जो चैंपियन प्लेयर्स, लेजेंडरी प्लेयर्स, जैसे टेनिस की बात करें तो साइना मिर्ज़ा है, महेश भूपति सर, आर यू इन्वॉल्विंग देम इन द फील्ड ऑफ टेनिस की वो जो प्लेयर्स हमारे पास अच्छे आ रहे हैं उन्हें नर्चर करें, वो रो हैं, उन्हें डायमंड की तरह शार्पन अप करें स्किल्स में, आर यू इन टच विद देम आल्सो?
वी आर टोटली इन टच विद देम एंड जैसे रोहन बोपन्ना अभी बेंगलोर में उन्होंने एकेडमी खोली है तो मेरे से काफ़ी टच में हम लोग बात करते हैं आपस में। कुछ प्लेयर्स हैं जो वहाँ हम लोग भेज रहे हैं अभी, जैसे सुरेश दक्षिणेश्वर अगर इंडिया में होगा तो वहाँ ट्रेन करेगा। सो ऐसे करके नहीं, लिएंडर पेस अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं कुछ एट द मोमेंट, बट आई एम श्योर कि आगे अगर कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं तो हम उनको भी इन्वॉल्व करेंगे और सबको इन्वॉल्व करेंगे। देखिए कहीं भी एडवांस कंट्रीज़ के लिए, एडवांस प्लेयर्स बनाने के लिए सबका योगदान ज़रूरी है। तो हर कोई एक डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट लाता है ट्रेनिंग में, और तो हम सबको इन्वॉल्व करके सबका योगदान लेना चाहेंगे।